Namaste everyone. I hope you people are doing well. So, how to use camera trap? Let's start the video. Firstly, we unfold the camera as you can see in this video and we unlock the camera. So it has this kind of lock on this model. There are lots of different types of models of camera. So this is how we open it. Now you can see lots of features here. This is the camera that actually works. This is the sensor that works. This is the button in which we have option on, setup and off. This is the option for the external energy supply to the camera, and this button opens the batteries, the energy of the camera. So this is how it open it, and it opens. We have 6 batteries here on this module. It has lots of module in which there are 8-10 batteries, but on this camera we have 6 batteries, and this is how we put it in our batteries. Now we make some setup of the camera. For this we put the button to set off, and this is how it opens. This is the display of the camera. We do have menu. You can see there is a 2 option, that is set clock and set. So we click on set clock button. See, you can see the time and calendar here. So we fix the time and calendar, like what date is today and what time is it now. So we fix it. The button of the up is to increase the date. See, this is how it increase. I'm making it faster. This is how we go to left to right, to turn the select options. See, this is how we do. Similarly, on set options we have mode. This is for camera, video and hybrid. We kept for camera, let's say. This tick here shows that we are in a camera mode. Next is image size, that is the quality of the image. So we keep on 30 MP. That's the maximum quality of this image. Next, capture number is the number of photo that we want to capture at once. Next, flash mode is for long range, fast motions and low. Long range is for the animals which are big in size, like tigers, elephants that have slow motions movement as well. Fast motion is used for the fast moving animals like small mammals, shrew, mice. Next is the camera name, in which we input the name of our camera. So our name is HON8. So we enter it by switching left and right button here, and we save it by clicking to menu. Next is the video size. Video size, we have lots of options. This is the quality of the video that it shows. See, we have lots of options for the video size, for the video length. Next is interval. So interval is the time period between the photo that will be taken on. So we have options for 60 seconds and 0.6 seconds. Next we have the sensor level. Sensor level is high, normal and low. So we keep it on high. On the camera mode, we keep it on day, night and 24 hours. So we keep it on night here. For the format, it's executive format. We can change it. Next is timestamp. We have on and off options. Next is field scan. We do have on and off options. We off it. Coordinate input is to input the coordinates of x and y of that point. So we keeping it off. On this all are the setting of the camera itself. So this is done. Now our camera setup is done. Now let's on our camera. See, the light here is shown that the camera is on. Haha. Now we check that our setup is safe or not. Yes, our all setup are safe. We have set up this camera is for small mammals. We kept on fast motion range, we kept on camera mode and on maximum quality on a not video mode, so no video length or anything. Now it's set, so let's fix the camera. Here you can see this is the space for the SD card and these are the flashlights here. We close our camera and this is all done. The batteries there doesn't work for a long lasting period, so we also attach some external energy to the camera so that long lasting video capture we can make. Now we have set all our cameras, so let's go to place this all the camera. How to place it? So yes, so it depends on which animals that you have researched for. Like generally we see some pellets, some excreta of that animals or some paws of that animals, and around that place we kept the camera so that it has more probability that the animal will be captured on it. So to keep the camera on that area, we tied with that rope as I have did on this video. You can see that. Make sure the camera is well tight, it doesn't move and doesn't get destroyed. And after stabilizing it, we on the camera as I have done in this video. You can see that. Also make sure and recheck that to which range your camera will capture the animal. See here on this video the man is moving so that we could know that to which point this will capture the animals. Then just on the camera, see the light, red light from here, lock the camera and all done. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you gain good knowledge about camera trap. Bye bye, see you next time.